One of the questions I see most often during the live streams is, Clay, what's next after AMC? What's the next big stock that we're going to be able to make money on? And why don't we get into it now? Guys, first and foremost, we're not done with AMC yet. Please, I don't know who's out there trying to figure out the next big thing already, but AMC is nowhere near finished. Just because it's trading at $50, $60 a share doesn't mean it's squeezed. Just because it's trading at $50, $60 a share doesn't mean it's too late to get in. So when it comes to what's next, sure, there will always be more opportunities in the stock market. There will always be opportunities to make money. But we're still on AMC, and I don't know, I got kind of an interesting twist to that answer. So of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and man, we are growing our portfolios together. What's next after AMC? Guys, I don't know. I am not focused on what's next after AMC right now. Yes, we will still be here. We will still make videos. We will still make money in the stock market. But as far as, I don't know if it's like if it's an innocent question, if people really do want to know what's next, if it's a deterring question, are they trying to like sideswipe us and get our attention on something else so we lose interest in AMC? I don't know what the idea is behind this question, but let's think about this for a second. Okay, what's next following AMC? Now, what do we know about hedge funds, right? They like to short companies they think that are going out of business. They like to short them so heavily that it might drive the price and manipulate the price down so that these companies don't stand a chance at raising capital or getting back on their feet. Now, AMC is turning out to be an incredible story. If you guys own a share of AMC, let us know down in the comments right now, because you're making money. And we need to know something. What is next? Well, let's think about the timeline here. You and I, we're not going to be able to call the peak. You and I are not going to know what the absolute top is for the AMC stock price target. However, who's going to know? The hedge funds. You are correct. The hedge funds will know the absolute peak. Why? Unless it peaks out kind of low and retail investors are still jumping in, that just kind of throws this video for a loop. It does. But let's assume that we are able to hold out. The retail investors are able to hold out to these astronomical prices that everybody keeps talking about, to these moon prices that everybody keeps talking about. We actually do what we say we're going to do, and we hold out until the hedge funds are margin called and they have to cover AMC. So what does that provide us with? That provides us with hedge funds who will know when the last short share has been covered. Now, let's assume for a second that the price is so high we no longer have FOMO buyers jumping in. Let's assume for a second that the price is so high that day traders and these high-frequency traders are no longer willing to take that risk. The only people that are buying the stock at these prices are hedge funds. So when hedge funds know that they have covered the last short share of AMC and they no longer have any buy orders going out, what's that mean? When no buy orders are coming in at that price, the price has to go lower and lower and lower until somebody puts a buy order in. Now let's think about this. If hedge funds are doing that, they could absolutely short it at the peak. Now if they know that all of their short shares were covered, they've got a clean slate, they've got margin available, they've got liquidity available, and they start shorting at the peak, do you think that they're going to step into it and just short a couple shares here and there? Guys, if it's the peak and they know it's the peak, they will load the peak up with shorts. They will try to ride that all the way back down to zero. If they were willing to short AMC at $5 a share and $2 a share and $10 a share, they will absolutely be willing to short it at $500 a share, $1,000 a share, $5,000 a share, and they will know where the peak is at. So do you want to ask me again what I think could potentially be next after AMC? If you spend time in the live streams, you already know. AMC round 2. It's like Street Fighter, right? Round 2, fight. We go again. We go again. And think about it. Think about it round 2. If they're losing money right now on their short positions at $10, $20, $30 a share, and we don't get them to lose money until we reach a new peak in round 2, that could be exciting. That could be incredible. That could help everybody out who thought they missed out on the short squeeze in the first place, and for some reason GameStop wasn't enough, AMC wasn't enough. Like, how many chances do you guys need? We could absolutely see an AMC round 2. So I don't know if we're going to get to that point. I don't know if AMC is going to come after AMC, or if we're going to need to shift our focus onto something else. Nobody can predict the future, guys. I'm just saying that it's definitely going to be possible because the hedge funds will know the peak. They will absolutely be shorting at the peak, and a round 2 could easily be more potential and a higher price than round 1 because we would need to get the price there in order for the hedge funds to start losing money on AMC. So I want to know, I know it's kind of out there, guys, but I want to know what you think in the comments below. Do you think we stand a chance at an AMC round 2, assuming the hedge funds don't go bankrupt, right? Assuming the hedge funds don't go out of business, assuming the laws on shorting stock doesn't change, assuming all of this stuff, stays constant. The hedge funds know the peak, they shorted at the peak, and they set us up for an even better opportunity than round 1. And here's the beautiful thing. If you thought we had ammo going into round 1, imagine us post-squeeze going into round 2. If you're a hedge fund right now and you're watching, I highly recommend that you do not continue to short AMC. We are here, we are willing, we are able, and we will win. So, that's my 2 cents. Hedge fund, you might want to consider that advice. I don't know. Don't short AMC. Stop messing around. You're going to lose. That button right there, if it's red, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Webull, Twitter, ClayBro.com, the influencer. There's a lot of links in the description below. Make sure to check all of those links out. Click on them. Follow them through, whatever you got to do. And yeah, until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.